to YoYo's Arts and Crafts Time. My guest star for today is my little brother, JJ.
Hi!
Let's make paper airplanes.
Yeah!
How do we start?
Let's see what's in my magic art box. In my magic art box are things that we can use. Let's use my magic art box for making something new. To make a paper airplane, we need a sheet of paper, crayons, and that's it. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Let's all follow Yo-Yo, show us what to do. Coco-you, coco-me, Coco 1, 2, 3. First, take your sheet of paper. Now find the shorter sides.
Got it.
Take one short side, match it with the other. With one hand, hold the top, and with the other hand, make the fold. Ready for the next step, time to move along. Coco-you, coco-me, Coco 1, 2, 3. Unfold your paper. Now find the long side.
Is this the long side?
Yep. Take one corner and drag it to the middle fold. With one hand, hold the corner down. The other hand can make the fold. Now take the other corner, then drag it to the middle fold. With one hand, hold the corner down. And with the other hand, make the fold. Ready for the next step, time to move along. Coco-you, coco-me, Coco 1, 2, 3. See how it looks like a house?
Oh, it does.
Now fold it in half with the flaps on the outside. Lay it on its side. Look, this is a middle point. Drag it down to match the bottom fold, like this. Use one hand to hold the point down, and with the other hand, make the fold. It's time for the next step. Let's craft and sing the song. Coco-you, coco-me, Coco 1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
Now flip the whole thing over. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Find that middle point again.
Huh?
This one.
Oh.
Then drag it down to match the bottom fold, like this. Use one hand to hold the point down, and with the other hand, make the fold. Ready for the next step, time to move along. Coco-you, coco-me, Coco 1, 2, 3. Almost done! Now let's decorate our airplanes and color it with our favorite themes.
Yay!
Coco-you, coco-me, Coco 1, 2, 3. Your airplane is ready! Wow!
Yeah!
Thanks for crafting with us! See you again on YoYo's Arts and Crafts Time!
Bye-bye!